Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run PHP code in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see I have opened Visual Studio Code. So to run PHP, you have to download Gem. Why? Because PHP is a server-side language, okay, scripting language. So you have to download Gem in your PC. So first of all, you have to go to the Gem, and here you can see you have option here download. You can go directly to the download, and you will find different option here. So you may go with the latest version. So just click on the download and it will be downloaded. And after downloaded, you just have to install it. Here you can see I have installed it in my PC in C drive. So when you install it, it will actually open like this. You can see. So this is the control panel for the gem. And what you have to do, you have to just start Apache here. And later, if you need any database work, you can actually start MySQL also. So here you can see now it's green, okay, light green, and port is on. Okay, here you can see we have port. So the server is now on. Now we can actually run PHP code in our PC. Okay, and we need to add a folder in the VS Code to run PHP in the VS Code. So what you have to do, you have to go to the C drive because you have installed it in the C drive, right? And here you can see we'll find a folder like this gem. You have to just go here and then you have to go to the htdocs folder. And here you can see we have a bunch of different project here. So if you need any project, you just have to click on new and then folder. So you have to give any folder because actually I want to open the folder in the VS Code. So here you can see I have a PHP tutorial project. So I will just drag and drop it like this. And here, okay, don't save. Okay, now you can see I have opened a PHP tutorial here. And you may download some extension. Let's say you can write here PHP. And here the first one, you can actually install it. Okay, so here you can see I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it once again. You just need to install it. Okay, that's it. Now go to the Explorer here, and here you can see this is my I have two PHP file. If you want to create a new one, you just have to click here, and then let's say I want to say index.php. So here I'm going to write a PHP script like this, and here I'm going to say echo, going to say hello from okay, so this is the code and I'm going to run it. So go to the browser, okay, and here you just have to write localhost / your project, the project you have opened in the Visual Studio Code, and that is PHP tutorial. So you have to write here PHP tutorial. That's it. And now here you can see we have the index file, hello from index. This is how you can actually run PHP code in Visual Studio. Okay. So I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.